In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage files in GitHub by guiding you through the process of deleting a file from a repository. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started, understanding how to effectively manage your files on GitHub is an essential skill to streamline your workflow and maintain a clean project structure. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to your GitHub dashboard. This is your command center on GitHub where you can access all of your projects and repositories and manage your activities. Just log into GitHub and you should see your dashboard immediately upon login. Once you're on your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate and choose the repository containing the file you want to delete. Repositories can be thought of as the main folder where all your files, codes, and documentation are stored for a specific project. Click on the repository to open it. After you have opened the desired repository, you will be able to see the list of all the files and directories it contains. From here, you should identify and click on the file that you need to delete. Clicking on the file name will open it up, allowing you to perform actions specifically on that file. Now that you have the file opened, look for the symbol representing additional options. This is often depicted by 3 dots arranged vertically or horizontally. By clicking on these 3 dots, you access a menu with various options to manipulate your file. In the drop-down menu that appears, find and click on the option labeled Delete File. This is a crucial step as it will initiate the process of removing the file from your repository. However, simply deleting the file is not the end of the process. To finalize the deletion, you must commit this change to your repository. Look for the Commit Changes button, which acts as a definitive save button on GitHub to record changes you've made to the repository. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you can submit a brief description of this change. Such summaries are helpful for tracking what was done at a glance in your commit history. Once you've added your description, often called a commit message, press the Final Commit button to apply these changes. This commits your deletion action to the repository, making the file officially removed from your project. And that's the whole process. Managing files in GitHub, such as through deleting unnecessary or outdated files, is a vital part of keeping your projects organized, efficient, and professional. Understanding these steps ensures that your workflow remains smooth and effective. Be sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any errors, and remember to commit your changes. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and happy coding.